Hello kids, welcome back with an exciting new story. Yay! The name of the story is Plant a Seed and the writer of the story is Cynthia Plath. So, should we start the story? This story is going to be very interesting because in the story we are going to see how to plant a seed. Ria had some bean seeds. She wanted to plant them, water them, and watch them grow. Digging in the dirt would be fun. "Oh no," said Ria, "there's a snail." She picked up the snail. "You can't stay here," Ria exclaimed. "You will eat my seeds." Ria did not want anyone to eat her seeds. "Oh, that's good." Ria was going to plant her seeds, but then she saw a beetle. "Beetles are not good to have in a garden," Ria said. "They eat seeds and plants." Ria was ready to plant her seeds, but "Oh no!" Ria cried. "Where are my seeds?" Ria's seeds were gone. "Peck, have you seen my seeds?" asked Ria. "That's so interesting. Can you tell kids where are the seeds?" "Did you eat my seeds, Peck?" asked Ria. Peck spit out the seeds. "I did," Peck said. "I love to eat seeds, but if you eat them, I can't plant them," said Ria. Now the Ria is sad. "Oops, I didn't know you wanted to plant them," Peck said. "I can put them in the dirt with my beak." "Ooh, let's try that," said Ria. Then they wait for the seeds to grow. Ria and Peck planted the seeds and gave them water. Wow, they're helping each other. A few weeks later, the seeds grew into beans. "Now we can eat beans," exclaimed Ria. "Neat," Peck said. Oh, that was a cute little story of two friends. I really enjoyed it. If you do so, please subscribe to the channel. Good night.